just thought I'd mention this. This is a camera I'm using to record this review of the action camera, and I've owned this camera about over 25 years. It's a digital still camera which does low resolution videos, and I use it occasionally, but the video format's not very good. And the tripod, this really nice tripod it's standing on, this was another charity shop find, and again, very rare I take this out with me because of the size of it. I can't remember how much I paid. It wouldn't have been more than £10 anyway for it, maybe £6, something like that. And this camera will also fit on here, and my selfie stick bracket, this will fit on here if I need to. So there's all sorts of combinations. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like.